inductance in the series. So already we have seen that when current passing through this coil, it produces magnetic flux. Here we are interested, sometimes we are required to connect an inductor in the series. So now the inductors can be connected in series in two ways. First, when the flux produced of these two coils are in the same direction, that's why it is called additive. And second, when the flux of two coils are in opposite direction, that is called subtractive. Now let me see when these two conductors are connected in series in additive nature. That means when flux of two coils are in same direction, that means additive. So here we are taking two coils, coil A and coil B. Now the connect the circuit in such a way that the whatever the flux produced by coil A and B, both are in same direction. So that is our main requirement. So here when current passing through this coil A and B, both coils produce magnetic flux in the same direction. Now let me see, the M is the mutual inductance between coil A and B, similarly coil B to A. Now LA, it is a self-inductance of coil A, and LB is the self-inductance of coil B. Now the self-induced EMF, already we have seen that when the current passing through this coil, it produces magnetic flux. This flux is linked with this coil. So self-induced EMF induced in the coil A. So the self-induced EMF in coil A is EA is equal to minus LA di by dt. Now similarly, self-induced EMF also induced in the coil B. So we can write EB is equal to minus LB di by dt. So this is the self-induced EMF in the coil A and B. Now similarly, the mutually induced EMF in the coil A, because already we have seen, studied that mutually induced EMF due to the change in flux in one coil will produce mutually induced EMF in the another coil. So here the mutual inductance of coil A is equal to, we can write minus N di by dt. Now similarly, mutual induced EMF of the coil B is equal to EB dash minus M di by dt. So now there are four EMF are induced in two coils. Two of self-induced EMF and another two is mutual induced EMF. So the total EMF induced in the inductor, we can write E is equal to EA plus EB plus EA dash plus EB dash. Now just put the value of EA, EB, EA dash, EB in this equation. So our equation becomes minus LA di by dt minus LB di by dt minus M di by dt minus M di by dt. So we can take di by dt as a common. So minus di by dt in bracket LA plus LB plus 2M. So this is the total EMF induced in the coil when they are connected in series and in subtractive nature. Now let me see when the flux of these two coils are in opposite direction. So here you can say the connection. The current passing through this coil A in upward direction, while same current is passing through coil B, but due to this its reverse connection, current flows in downward. That means the coil A produce magnetic field and coil B produce magnetic field. Both are in opposite direction. Both the value of this flux is remains same because same amount of current passing through this both coil A and B. Now here let me see. M is equal to mutual inductance of the coil. LA is the self inductance of coil A. LB is the self inductance of coil B. Now self induced EMF in this coil EA is equal to minus LA di by dt. Self induced EMF in the coil B EB is equal to minus LB di by dt. Now mutual induced EMF of coil A EA dash is equal to M di by dt, and mutual induced EMF of coil B. Here it is coil B. Is EB is equal to M di by dt. So the total EMF induced in the coil or into coil EA plus EB plus EA dash plus EB dash. So why we are writing here plus? Because the flux are produced in reverse direction to each other. That's why we are writing here plus sign. So now put the value of EA, EB, EA dash and EB dash in this equation. Minus LA di by dt minus LB di by dt plus M di by dt plus M di by dt. Now we take minus di by dt as a common. So here LA plus LB, here minus 2M, because we are taking minus sign as a common.